BFP.
Bureau of Fire Protection.
Correct. BIR.
Bureau Interval Revenue.
Correct.
Mali.
Mali.
Internal Youth.
BIR.
Bureau of Internal Revenue.
Tama. Next, BJMP.
Oh, grabe po na. Uy, Bureau of Jurisdiction and
Mali.
Management. Penal.
Mali.
Say attack answer.
Next, the answer is Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Next question. CHED.
Commission on Higher Education.
Correct. CHR.
CHR. Commission Human, SR. Republic.
Mali.
Ako pa, oy, pwede pa man.
Oo.
Commission on Human Rights.
Tama.
Oh.
Hula pa. Excited kay ka?
Next, CFO.
CFO? Kao ba na sa FCO no?
5,
Common
3, 2.
Kung saan tamang answer, ana?
Commission of Filipino Overseas.
Bugi-buguan. Ikaw may monster to.
Next question.
Okay, next, COA.
Ha?
COA or COA.
COA. Commission, Operation, Assistant.
Mali. COA.
Commission on Audit.
Tama. COMELEC.
Taas kayo na.
Taas kayo.
5, 4, 3.
Vote.
Comelec, Commission Election.
Mali.
Commission on Election.
Correct.
Imong gingon.
Ay, isay sound. Diretso di ay. Isay up.
Next, DA.
Ha?
DA.
Department
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pass.
Kung saan tama, ana?
DA.
Wala ko yun.
DA.
Sa A?
Oh,
Department of
3.
Attorney.
mali. Next.
Department of Agriculture.
Correct. Next,
Darm.
DAR or DAR.
Department of Agrarian Reform.
Correct.
Nag-study kami.
Next, DBM.
5.
BBM?
DBM.
Ha?
DBM.
DB. Department of Bongbong Marcos.
Department of Budget and Management.
Correct. Next, DBP.
Development Bank of the Philippines.
Correct. Next, DDB. DB.
Davao Department. Saan last?
P.
B.
Davao Department. Busit.
DDB.
D una na.
Oh, DDB.
DDB.
Mm.
Development Disaster Protection.
Mali. The correct next.
Diretso na sa correct answer.
The correct answer is Dangerous Drug Board. Okay. Okay, next. DENR.
Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
Correct.
Wala pa.
Next, DepEd.
Department of Education.
Correct. Next, DFA.
Department of Foreign Affairs.
Correct. Next, DOE.
Department of Engineering.
Mali.
Kung saan na?
DOE.
Ha?
E.
DOE. Department of Apple.
E. Iman nga Eagle.
Ay, Eagle. Department of Eagle.
Mali.
Department of Electricity.
Mali.
Correct answer.
Correct answer.
Correct answer is Department of Energy.
Electricity.
Yung patubog. Bangbuang.
Okay, kani. DOF.
Department of Food.
Mali.
Kumuduot ba?
DOE,
F.
F, Department of Foreign.
Mali.
Blood.
Where to yung Department of Fish.
Mali.
Blood.
Correct answer is Department of Finance. Next.
Ay, finance di ay.
DOH.
Department of Health.
Correct.
Kasayong sa
Basta yun diya ba madung siya sa
Next. DOJ.
na.
DOJ?
DOJ, Department of Department of
Correct. Oh.
Nag-cheat.
Tama ka. Tama yung
Ni down siya.
ano po siya. Tama man siya.
Okay, next. DOLE.
Department of Labor and Employment.
Correct. Next. DOST.
Department of
Tagna imumo ha.
Department of Ulat dira amo.
5.
Department of Tourism.
Mali.
Mali.
DOST.
Department of University of Santo Tomas.
Mali. DOST.
Department of Science and Technology.
Correct. Next. DOT.
Department of Tourism.
Correct.
Isa lang?
Department of Tourism. Correct. Next. DOTR.
Yawa na. DOTI.
Oh.
DOTI. Department of Traffic Regulation.
Mali.
Tama to, traffic.
Department of Transportation.
Correct. Next. DPWH.
Department of Public Ways and Highways.
Mali.
Isa man.
DPWH.
Dakog puson way hawa. Isa to?
DPWH.
DPWH. Department of Water and Health.
Mali.
Department of Public Ways and Highways.
Mali. The correct answer is Department of Works and Highways. Okay, next. Next.
Ako dyan yung tangan mo ray.
Next. DSWD.
Department of Social Welfare and Development.
Correct. DTI.
DPI?
DTI.
Department of the Illegal Logging.
Mali. DTI.
Department of Trade and Industry.
Correct. Next. FNRI.
Huh?
FNRI.
Wala yung anak ba youth? Kasi church drop pa.
Food and Nutrition Research Institute.
Away.
Okay, next. LTFRB. Again, LFTRB.
Nabasa ko na sa bus. LTFRB.
Yes.
Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board.
Correct!
Wait lang.
Nara sa bus!
Ako tanong ka na mo.
Nara sa bus!
Sige, laki chance.
Nak.
Ako.
Itong sagtang karon siya.
OWA.
Di atubang.
OWA. Ato bang ito? Eh, kasi mo muna. OWA.
Owa.
Oh. Department.
Uwa Department.
OWA. Department. Saan ang department?
Mag-agi pa mag-department ang OWA. Ay, tama bitaw.
Overseas Welfare Worker. Ano na? Tingin